Hello friends, in this video tutorial I will show you how to create scrollable text. Means if you want to create a credit screen, so you will use that scrollable text. With the help of that you can create a credit scene or whatever the text you want to be scroll, you can put there. So first what we will do, we are working on UI, so canvas is the main key. Inside the canvas, we will create a panel. Go to UI and panel. See, this is my panel. Okay, I will resize the panel because I want to show you. That's why I am resizing this. Okay, slowly you will understand what is going on here. So this is the panel. First, what I will do, I want scrollable. So some part will be visible. Whatever will be inside this panel, those things will be visible. Outside, it won't visible. It will work as a mask. Mask mean you can take it as a box. Okay, uh, box with one side is open, completely open, like a TV, your television. So if you will go back side, you can't see anything. Left side you can't see anything, right side you can't see anything, but in front you can see everything. The same thing, panel, if you put mask component, so this panel will work as a TV for television for you. Okay, so whatever inside this panel we can see from the front, but not right left we can't see. But whatever inside this panel we can see in this area. So what I will do for that, I will put something inside. So I am creating a game object, empty game object. I will call it text scroller. Okay, inside that I will put a text. See, this is my text. This is text scroller, means the area. Okay, this is the area where I will scroll the text. So this is my text. Why I am making it larger? Because I want to scroll this text. That's why. Okay, and I will write something like anything I can do here. Okay, so I already copied some text and I'm pasting the text here. So what is this? This is my panel, my text scroller. And why I put some space here, I will show you. See, we have text, we have text, we have scroller. Okay, so scroller will work when we will apply one rect scroll rect component. Why? Because I want to scroll something. So this text scroller will hold that area. We can't take it far away from this text scroller. I will put text in this content. So what it will do? It will hold the text within the boundary. Okay, I will show you. See, like a mask. See, this is elastic effect. If I will clamp it, so it won't go anywhere. So now we can move it horizontally only. Okay, this is the same behavior I want. Okay, see, now I don't want this. I want a scroll bar. With the help of that we can scroll. Okay, let's see how we'll do. So I will create a scroll bar here in the panel UI scroll bar. Where is the scroll? Okay, so now we have text scroller, scroll bar. And now why, see, by default it is horizontal, but what we want to be vertically. So I will go to the inspector and change direction left, right to top, bottom. See, now this is top to bottom. With the help of rect transform tool, press T on your keyboard, make it large, and okay, now we have scroll bar, but what it will scroll? For that, what I will check here. I will go to text scroller. See, scroll rect. Here we have one, this is variable, okay, which is holding the scroll bar. See, I will pass this scroll bar to here, but we have two more, horizontal and vertical. So this text scroller will go horizontally as well as vertically, but I don't want horizontally, I want only vertically. So I uncheck this box, clamp, this is correct, everything is correct here, there is no issue. Okay, I will show you, then again I will explain what is going on here. Okay, so I will play. Okay, now see, we can scroll the text. Okay, so what is going on here? First we will see the panel. For panel, panel will work as a mask for us. So mask, then inside the mask we have two things. One is the container for text. In this container we will store our text. See, this is text scroll container for us. And what it will do, it will scroll the text and it will bind that text inside that boundary. See, we have one text here, so this text won't go anywhere. See, means okay, so this text will scroll inside this text scroller only, it won't go further away. And the second one is scroll bar. Okay, so what we are going to do here, we are scrolling this text with the help of scroll bar. Okay, that's it. See, it will work. See? Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you are new here, please subscribe my channel and leave a like. Thank you.